Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to change default system font in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Open any browser, copy link from description and paste it. Download and install with administrator rights. Press 1 to select change the default system font. For example, Arial font having regular, narrow, and extra, I am selecting Arial bold. Press Y key to restart system. System font changed to Arial bold. If you want to restore previous font, follow this procedure. Press 2 to restore default system font. Press Y to restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.